This year, we're going to be focused on a 5-day event. The next workshop I want to tell you about is something I'm really excited about, and it's all about what UXDev is founded on. We're going to take data scientists and we're going to combine it with UX practice. And what we're going to do is we're going to make decisions based off of data. But you're going to start understanding how data works and what powers a lot of those design decisions that you make. So, for example, one of the sessions will be focused on the impacts of your layout. When you change the layout, how does it affect your data? You'll have a much deeper understanding of how that's going to work. Another area we'll be looking at is machine learning. Many people have heard of machine learning, but few of us have actually had the chance to use it. So we're going to give you a hands-on workshop where you'll actually be interacting with APIs and regression models. And this is going to give you hands-on interaction with existing machine learning practices. We'll take a look at those data and all of that information, and then we'll combine it in a final wrapping it up with a focus on ethics. So we'll talk about what it means to be ethical and what it means not to be ethical. Privacy issues, what data should you expose, what data should be protected, and how we should make that information freely available. So I think this is going to be a great series of workshops that's really going to strike a chord with whether you're in development or you are in UX. Overall, you should be able to come away with a clearer understanding of what decisions mean and how you qualify those decisions.